This free AI tool converts any screenshot to code in seconds. It might be for web or mobile, doesn't even really matter. You can generate unlimited prompts. Go to this website which is linked in description, grab your free Open Router API key and paste it here and click on submit. This will be stored securely in your web browser. Now select the platform, then select framework, then select styling. Now upload screenshot. Write your preferences here if any. Now click on enter. It will generate quality prompt that you can paste into any free code generation tools like V0, Claude.dev, Cursor, Gemini 2.5 Pro, etc. etc. Here I upload a screenshot of admin dashboard which I got from Figma. By the way, you can take designs from Figma and you can export them here as well. I will use Cloud.dev here. Make sure to upload the screenshot here as well and paste the prompt here. And here are the results. Oh my god, 95% accuracy. Look at the dashboard. This tool is a direct competitor to the screenshot to code and copy coder AI. Smash like if this saved you 10 plus hours and share with your dev squad.